May nag-message dito asking for an advice or some pointers about why fulfilling childhood dreams feels empty. And this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. Let's do this. Sabi niya dito, "Hello sir, I just want to ask, as a child, I always dream of having gaming phone, gaming PC, and own room. I'm 22 right now and I already achieved those. Why doesn't feel like it's a victory?" Nung na-realize ko na meron na ako nung mga pangarap ko dati, wala akong maramdaman na kahit ano. Parang feel ko na nasa kawalan na naman, ng parang nabubuhay na lang ulit. After ko ma-realize na tapos ko na matupad yung childhood dream ko, hindi ko na din alam anong next. Maybe dahil nung bata ko, feel ko pag meron na ako ng mga bagay na yon, okay na ako sa buhay. Now, may isang myth yung mga tao na hinahawakan nila na pag nakuha ko tong isang bagay na to, achievement, pera, bahay, kotse, title, magiging okay na ako. And lalo na sa mga bata, nilalagyan natin ng meaning or attachment yung mga bagay na meron tayo nung kabataan tayo because it brings comfort. And yung comfort na yon, nagdadala din siya ng escape sa atin na kung saan hindi natin iniintindi yung mga responsibilidad nung bata tayo. Kaya nga ang sarap maging bata, 'di ba? Wala tayong iniintindi kundi feel good buong araw. And then as we grow old, na mi-mix up natin yung comfort and escape doon sa meaning and fulfillment. Magkaiba yung dalawang bagay na yon. And most of adults right now are throwing away yung fulfillment and meaning kapalit ng panandali ang kaligayahan using video games. Ang sarap mag-mythic, ang sarap manalo sa isang match ng laro, diba? Ang sarap mag-MVP, so on and so forth. Na nakakalimutan natin that is just temporary, and yung achievement na nakuha mo doon by being good at whatever games you are playing doesn't translate doon sa real world. Kaya after nyong maglaro, after nyong makuha yung panalo nyo, bumabalik ulit yung pakiramdam na napaka-meaningless ng buhay. And then another reason is yung psychology of wanting. Now, here's how it works. Would you want what you already have? Gugustuhin mo ba yung mga bagay na meron ka na? I don't think so. There will come a time that yung pagkagusto mo sa mga bagay na meron ka na would fade. Because yung wanting, namamatay siya pag nakuha mo na yung mga bagay na gusto mo. And pinaka-recent example sa akin yan is yung yellow belt certification ko sa Lean Six Sigma. Nung mga bagay na, or nung mga panahon na ginagawa ko siya, I was really motivated. I was doing everything I can to actually be able to get that certification. And after banggitin sa akin nung instructor namin, nung certifier namin, na okay, congratulations, you have been certified. And from that moment, the feeling died down. Parang I'm lost. Hindi ko alam kung what now. Okay, fine, yellow belt, Lean Six Sigma certified na ako, but ano na? What's next? Ultimo, hanggang pag lumabas ako, nagmerienda ako na after nun. Habang sumusubo ka ng french fries, nakatulala ako. Okay, ito na, meron ka na, ano na? So, ganun yung eksaktong feeling na mararamdaman mo once na nakuha mo yung mga bagay na meron ka. And the secret of continuing life is to find another goal. Yes, mako-complete mo yon, but the great thing about life is that you could always get another meaningful goal. Hindi na lang yung mga superficial katulad ng mag-mythic, manalo sa laro, mag-MVP, so on and so forth. You can try to put more meaning into your life by helping others, by teaching, by passing on kung ano yung mga bagay na natutunan mo sa ibang tao para mas ma-improve din nila yung mga sarili nila. And with that, 'di ba? You have a more meaningful objective, a more meaningful goal na hindi mo basta-basta matatapos because, well, it's hard but meaningful. Masarap sa pakiramdam yung every time na may natuturuan kang tao, they are coming back to you and saying, thank you, because of you, I learned this and I became better at this, so on and so forth. Madalas kong sinasabi sa kanila na, well, I'm happy for you. And hopefully, yung mga tao sa paligid mo, yung mga taong mahal mo, yung mga taong importante sa'yo, maipasa mo yung nalaman mo sa akin, improve it. Okay? Kung may improve ka pa dyan sa naituro ko, do so. And ipasa mo rin sa ibang tao para at least yung ibang tao din matuto and may makuha sa'yo. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards our goal. Have a good day.